everybody, Anna here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the tail light bulbs on a 2010 to 2016 Chevy Equinox. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the tail light bulbs on this 2014 Equinox LTZ. Procedures will be similar for a lot of Equinox models from 2010 to 2016, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open your back hatch. Use a flathead screwdriver or trim tool to remove the two plastic caps covering the assembly bolts. Then use a ratchet and 10mm socket or Phillips screwdriver to remove the two bolts. Pull the assembly straight back toward the rear of the vehicle to disengage it. You can use a trim tool to gently wedge the assembly free if needed. Once the assembly comes free, press the tab where the wiring harness connects to the back of the assembly to unplug it. Now you can set the assembly on a bench or in the back of the vehicle while you change the bulb. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to slip the ears of the socket out of the assembly. Gently work the old bulb out of the socket. Now, press the new bulb firmly into the socket. Slip the ears of the socket into the back of the assembly and turn clockwise to secure it. Lift the assembly back into place and snap the wiring harness back into the plug on the assembly. Turn on your taillights before putting everything back together to make sure it's working. Line up the guide pins on the assembly and carefully push it back into place. Rethread the two bolts you removed previously. Snap the two plastic caps back into place. You should always replace taillights in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. Close the hatch. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.